4 cards. There is a number on each card. Write down the largest 4-digit number that can be made by using each card only once. So if you think about it, your biggest number needs your biggest number to be in the biggest column. So it's going to start with 9, 8, 7, 4. Second part, write down the smallest 4-digit even number that can be made by using each card only once. So logically, if we invert this, we should get the smallest number, which will be 4, 7, 8, 9. But the question asks you for an even number, and that's not even. So you have to swap these two numbers around to make it 4, 7, 9, 8.